Hey there, in this quick video I'm going to talk about on how you can reset your Hubble baby monitor. So how it's done is that you just want to hold down the pair button and turn the camera off while holding the pair button. And after 10 seconds, turn the camera back on while still holding down the pair button. And when you hear a confirmation beep after about 30 seconds, release the pair button and wait until it starts blinking. And now you can add your camera to your account. And now, if you haven't set up your camera yet, hold down the pair button, unplug the camera while holding down the pair button, and after 10 seconds, plug the camera back in while still holding down the pair button. And after 20 seconds, just release the pair button and wait until it starts blinking. And there is also the orbit camera or halo camera. And so for the orbit camera, if you have it, you want to remove the back cover, press the reset button and wait a minute for the orbit to restart. When the LED is flashing, the orbit is in setup mode. Halo camera, ensure the camera is in desk mode. If you are using the camera in a dock mode, detach the camera from the pole and plug the charger into the camera. Slide the on and off and switch to off. Press and hold the pair button and then slide the on and off switch to on. And when you hear the confirmation beep, about 20 seconds, release the pair button. So that's it.